Okay, so to install the battery into the iOptron Go2Nova hand controller, this particular one's the 8409 Plus, but I'm pretty confident that they're all the same. Remove the 4 screws from the base panel, as I've done so here, to open up the hand controller. Now, inside we've got 2 terminals here. We've got a positive terminal and a negative terminal. On the top of this battery, on the face of this battery, is the positive terminal, and the face of this battery obviously wraps around the edge, and then it is there's an insulated area around the outside where the negative terminal is situated. Now, it's important that the battery is installed so it is pushed in at this end. So this is the bottom of the controller. You push it in like so, and then just snap it in. So these 2 very small protrusions here capture the battery and it holds it in place. So we have good contact here with the prongs and the positive terminal, and obviously underneath we have contact with these prongs on the negative terminal. I'll just zoom in on that. So I'm just going to show you again zoomed in. So it's important not just to push the battery in like so, because if you push the battery in you could bend these prongs down flat and then you will just not be making any contact with the battery whatsoever. So it's important that the battery is inserted in this way and snapped into place there, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 little protrusions here which capture the battery and hold it in place. So that's nicely snugly in there now, and yeah, that shouldn't give you any problems.